Adam, myself in here.
Go. Perfect.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Brenda Schulte, and I'm with Southeast Enterprise Facilitation Project, and we're here in Parker, South Dakota today with Jeff and Jordan and Rochelle Stricherz. Rochelle Stricherz, and we are presenting them with their first dollar profit certificate for their new business called All-Star Plumbing. So Jeff and Jordan, we'd like to present you with your certificate that reads, "Congratulations and best wishes. May the confidence you've shown in your vision, this community, and its economy be rewarded with a lifetime of success. Congratulations and best of luck to both of you." And you too, Rochelle.
Thank you.
That's it.